In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Gantt chart system in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean timeline view that makes project schedules easy to see at a glance. A Gantt-style timeline in Notion lets you visualize tasks across days, weeks, or months, see overlaps, and spot dependencies. We'll keep things simple and focused so you can get your system up and running quickly without extra configuration. Start by opening the Notion page that holds the database you want to visualize. This could be a projects database, a content calendar, a roadmap, anything with items you'd like to schedule. If you already track things like status, assignees, and due dates, that's perfect. The timeline view will surface those details. If you keep your items in a full-page database, make sure you're on that database page so the controls we use are visible at the top. At the top of the database, look to the right of its name for the small plus icon that adds a new view. Click that plus icon. You're creating a new way to display the same data, so nothing in your database will be duplicated. This is just a different lens. In the menu that opens, select Timeline. This is the view type that renders your tasks as horizontal bars across time, similar to a traditional Gantt chart. If your database already has a date property, Notion will use that to place items on the timeline. If there are multiple date fields, the view can be adjusted later. Give your timeline a helpful name such as Project Timeline, Release Plan, or Sprint Schedule, something that tells teammates exactly what they're looking at. Clear naming matters because you may create multiple views for different audiences like stakeholders versus the core team. Once you've typed the name, click Done. Notion will build the timeline view immediately, keeping your other views intact for list, board, or table style work. Next, open Property Visibility in the Views toolbar. This controls which database properties appear on each timeline card. To make setup easier, choose Show All. Revealing everything at first helps you confirm that key details, like status, owners, and tags, are present. Later, you can hide anything that clutters the view and keep only what's essential for fast scanning. With properties visible and your timeline named, you now have a functional Gantt chart system in Notion. As you update dates and details in the same database, your timeline will reflect those changes automatically, giving you a single source of truth for planning and tracking.